Your innermost thoughts and feelings hold the key to transforming your external reality. This is the essence of the Law of Correspondence, an ancient principle encapsulated by the timeless adage, "As above, so below." This concept invites you to explore a profound connection between your personal inner world and the vast universe outside. It suggests that the thoughts and emotions you nurture internally can actively shape and influence the course of your life. In this interconnected reality, every thought becomes a seed planted in the universe's fertile ground, and every emotion a compass guiding your path. The law of correspondence is more than an abstract idea. It's a powerful tool that, when understood and applied, can bring about significant changes in your life. It offers a way to align your deepest desires with the cosmic forces that govern our world, creating a harmonious dance between your aspirations and reality. By embracing this principle, you have the opportunity to explore the depths of your being, align your inner vibrations with the frequencies of the universe, and witness the manifestation of a life that reflects your truest intentions. This alignment empowers you to reshape your existence and create a reality that aligns with your soul's deepest yearnings. Feeling lost in life, a young man named Alex stumbles upon an ancient book tucked away in a forgotten corner of the library. As he delves into its pages, he discovers the concept of "as above, so below," and begins to view his life from a fresh and enlightening perspective. Alex begins by changing his daily routine. He starts his mornings with meditation, focusing on gratitude and setting positive intentions for the day. By practicing mindfulness, he experiences a shift in mindset that leads to feeling grounded and optimistic. This change influences his behavior at work, as he becomes more thoughtful and considers the impact of his actions on those around him. Consequently, he notices an increase in harmony and a decrease in conflict during his professional interactions. Alex starts a journaling practice to reflect on his day. By doing so, he is able to identify moments where he felt connected to his surroundings and moments where he didn't. Through this practice, Alex starts recognizing patterns in his thoughts and behaviors. He discovers that nurturing positive thoughts attracts more positive experiences and encounters with people. Alex's perspective undergoes a transformation as he realizes that his inner state of peace and positivity has a larger impact on his world. He starts viewing challenges as opportunities for personal growth and recognizes the power of his thoughts and emotions in shaping his reality. This shift not only improves Alex's outlook, but also enhances the quality of his life and relationships. Alex's journey illustrates the power of our innate wisdom, despite the myth that it is unattainable. The quality of our relationships is intricately linked to our internal state, as the way we perceive and interact with others is heavily influenced by our own self-awareness. By cultivating a deeper understanding of ourselves and our emotions, we can profoundly transform the dynamics within our relationships. This heightened self-awareness allows us to engage in more meaningful conversations, as we are better equipped to recognize and express our feelings. This increased self-awareness contributes to improved listening skills. When we are attuned to our own emotions, we are also more receptive to the emotions of those around us. This enhanced sensitivity fosters a greater capacity for active listening, enabling us to truly understand and empathize with others. Developing self-awareness also helps reduce impulsivity in our interactions. By being more conscious of our emotional responses and triggers, we gain greater control over impulsive reactions that may undermine the harmony in our relationships. This newfound ability to respond thoughtfully rather than reactively fosters healthier communication patterns, and promotes understanding between individuals. One of the most significant benefits of cultivating self-awareness within relationships is the emergence of genuine empathy. As we become more attuned to ourselves, we develop a deeper understanding of others' experiences and emotions. This genuine empathy enables us to connect on a deeper level with those around us, creating stronger bonds from a place of compassion and understanding. This journey towards self-reflection not only enriches our relationships, but also serves as a catalyst for personal growth. By taking the time to examine ourselves honestly and introspectively, we unlock new insights into who we are and how we relate to others. This process empowers us to make positive changes in both ourselves and how we engage with the external world. Embracing self-awareness within relationships has far-reaching benefits that extend beyond interpersonal connections. It enhances communication skills through meaningful conversations while reducing impulsivity in interactions. Moreover, it nurtures genuine empathy towards others and fosters personal growth. Self-reflection empowers us to create positive change and build fulfilling relationships based on understanding, empathy, and personal growth. Engaging in practices such as mindfulness and journaling each day can have profound effects on our overall well-being and personal growth. Practicing mindfulness at the start of the day allows us to cultivate a sense of clarity and calmness. By being fully present in the moment, we can align our thoughts and actions with our goals and tune into the natural rhythms of the universe. Furthermore, incorporating journaling into our evening routine provides an opportunity for self-reflection and introspection. Through this practice, we can process our thoughts, emotions, and experiences from the day. It enables us to gain valuable insights, identify patterns in our thinking or behavior, and gain a deeper understanding of ourselves. These simple yet powerful habits serve as anchors throughout our day, keeping us grounded amidst the chaos of modern life. By nurturing these practices consistently, we create a foundation for a more harmonious and purposeful existence. The transformative nature of these habits cannot be overstated. They have the potential to enhance our daily experiences by fostering self-awareness, emotional intelligence, resilience, and personal growth. The law of correspondence encompasses the intricate interplay between our thoughts and the external world. Aligning our thoughts and actions with the natural rhythm of the universe creates a powerful synergy, much like a graceful dance. By recognizing and nurturing seemingly insignificant moments of connection, we can greatly improve our lives. This approach not only makes the law of correspondence more tangible, but also renders it highly relevant and applicable to our daily existence. Balancing spiritual insights with practical application is key to harnessing the power of the law of correspondence. While understanding cosmic principles is important, it's equally essential to integrate them into our daily lives. By incorporating simple yet profound practices such as expressing gratitude on a daily basis, we invite an abundance of joy and positivity into our existence. Furthermore, by setting clear intentions that align with our deepest values, we ensure that our actions are in harmony with our spiritual beliefs. It is essential to find a balance when applying spiritual concepts in the real world. Positive thoughts and emotions have a profound impact on shaping our reality. By consciously adopting a positive mindset and starting our day with visualizing positive outcomes, we can effectively transform our overall mindset and greatly influence how we interact with others. It's important to note that this practice goes far beyond mere wishful thinking. It involves aligning our deepest desires with our daily actions and choices. By consistently cultivating positive thoughts and emotions, we have the potential to bring about tangible changes in the world around us, creating a more harmonious and fulfilling existence for ourselves and those around us. Deeply contemplate a specific instance in your life when you experienced the harmonious alignment of your inner state with the external circumstances surrounding you. This alignment can be a powerful catalyst for personal transformation and growth. By intentionally aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your goals and aspirations, you create an opportunity to elevate your daily experiences to new heights. Remember, you are deeply interconnected with the universe, so aligning your inner world for positive transformation will deeply affect the world around you. Your journey with this principle is ongoing and powerful. Reflect on how each step towards self-awareness and positive change not only transforms you, but also contributes to the world's harmony. Keep exploring, keep growing, and remember, the power to change your world starts from within.